The tax filing deadline of April 15th is fast approaching, but be careful not to put anything on your return that could attract the attention of the IRS. Now, you recently did a piece on audit red flags. What are some of the crazy deductions that the IRS has seen?
Yeah, so putting strange deductions on your tax return is always going to be a red flag, but every year people try to claim some very bizarre things. Some of the tax preparers I talked to said that they had seen people claiming medical expenses for their pets, Playboy magazines for a doctor's office, a $200 dress for a charity event, and even dental implants for someone who said he couldn't get hired because he had bad teeth. And one of the most common deductions people try to take is a swimming pool for medical expenses. But unless you meet very specific requirements and you have a doctor's prescription, the IRS is not going to let it through.
Okay, some of that is pretty funny, by the way. But also, you mentioned something about too many zeros. What did you mean by that?
Yes, some people round to the nearest $1,000 on their returns rather than the nearest dollar, like they should. So if the IRS sees a return with lots of zeros on it, it's automatically going to raise red flags, and they're going to think you're either inflating the numbers, the expenses, or the deductions that you're claiming, or they may think that you just made it up completely.
Also, what about people who have gone through a messy divorce? You did mention something about that.
This is a funny one. So apparently quite a few people actually send letters to the IRS about their ex-spouses, alleging that they were involved with financial crimes, they were money launderers, that they underreported income, and all kinds of things. And some of it's true, some of it's probably not, but the IRS, if it gets a letter like that, it's probably going to look into it. And it could trigger an audit. So if you've just come out of a messy divorce, watch out for your ex.
So be nice to your spouses, or ex-spouses rather.
Yes.
Okay.